salad, please.
And what kind would you like?
What kind do you have?
None!
Huh?
Perhaps you haven't seen the menu. Look around. All I have is meat. Listen to me now. Food is better when it's meaty. Here, have a scrumptious treaty.
Like my T-bone sweetie.
Meat, meat, meat. My pork may squeal and whistle as I grind them into gristle.
Now we're all meat gristles. Meat, meat.
Try the beef instead, we're better when we're dead.
I think I'm underfed.
No meat. Gotta find some meat.
Freeloaders. Man, am I hungry. Huh?
You hungry?
Uh-huh.
I've got something for you.
Oh, boy!
Come in. I'm just about to prepare the meat. Rest your tired loins. I was once like you, an up-and-comer. Oh, to be young and tender, free to roam with nothing at stake.
What are you doing, mister?
Forgive my manners. Meat, the meat grinder.
There's but one solution to this predicament.
Next.
Oh boy! My first assignment. If I do good, I can get rid of these training wings. Hi, Felix. I'm your guardian angel. I'll teleprompt you anywhere you want to go.
Guardian angel? Okay. Take me on an ocean cruise.
You got it. Uh-oh. I'm thinking, but I'm not hearing anything. Let's see. Heavenly Hideaway, Heavenly Mountain, Heavenly Inferno.
Hey!
Here it is! Heavenly Cruises.
Phew. Now to work on my tan. What the?
Well, if it ain't a stowaway, let's carve him a new blowhole. Curse his feline agility.
Oof. Pardon me, miss.
Anyway, did you know Eric the Red dyed his hair? Really? Uh-huh. Oh, gosh.
Rush him, mateys! Very well, stranger. We'll call it a draw. But next time, you'll walk the plank.
Help! Help!
Hello, Felix.
This is the worst cruise I ever been on.
Oh.
Just put me on dry land. Sure is dry. Anyway, it feels good to be out of the water. Water! Huh?
Move along. I'm in my own little world here.
He's losing it.
I'm saved!
Come on in, baby. Snake Eyes, another winner.
Hey, Big Spender.
I saw him first.
Say!
He's mine. Let go.
Say! Quick, get me out of here!
What's the hurry? Don't you like the heavenly wasteland?
No! That angel's a heavenly nuisance. Help! 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 No, you don't. I've had enough. Just put me back where you found me, mister.
Oh, but I'm supposed to save you.
I mean it.
I can't bear to watch what'll happen to him. I better go watch. Oh, Felix! Oh, and I'm helpless to extrapolate him.
Oh, soup. Well, I'll be a fairy. Grant me a wish.
You mean it?
Make me the fattest, greasiest sausage in the world. Should have seen this coming.
What do you know? You saved me after all.
And the best part is, I earned my wings! See you later, Felix! Don't do anything I would do!
Oh, man. I'm running late. I gotta catch that train. Let's see. Gate 9. Yeah, that's it. Gate 9. There it is.
Boy, is he in for a ride.
Come on. Where's that train? Kind of dead in here. Where is everybody? Hey! Gee, I can't see a thing. Yow!
Hey! Just what do you think you're doing? Can't you read the sign?
They call me the time twister, twisting up space and time. My fingers are all blisters, 'cause pressing buttons is my line. Who cares if my gums are gooey, or if I never wear shoes or socks? 'Cause I can make time go kablooey with this little magic box. All this work has made me loony. Haven't slept in a century or two. I could use some snooze-a-rooney. So good night. and pleasant dreams to you.
Now, how does this thing work?
Hey, what do you think you're doing? Let go of my nose! Now you've gone and done it. You've twisted up time and space.
This is too stupid. Ah! Ah! Can't you do something?
Oh, for crying out loud! Hey, Time Twister!
So now you want the Twister's help after being a sneaky cat. Don't fool around with time and space. Now give me that ant scat.
Well, look what the cat dragged in!
Who, me? What? Where?
Ha! Ha! Laugh it up! You think I enjoy being a vacuum cleaner?
Is this a trick question?
Well, I don't! Just look at this place.
Well, I guess it could use a little tidying up.
Tidying up? It could use a bulldozer! You just don't know what it's like, Felix. The lonely days. The sleepless nights. The hair balls. This is it, Felix. I'm leaving, and I am not coming back to this pigsty until you clean it up.
Don't slam the door. Don't slam the door. Don't slam the door. Don't slam. He slammed the door.
Well then, the question is, where to start? This hurts. Now where was that? Ah, here it is. Whoa!
Fresh.
Hey, did you see that?
Yeah, that really rattles my windows. Hey, Cat, heard of a bad neighborhood? Nailed it!
Yeah, Spike, Buddy here. Listen, I'm really in the doghouse on this Doberman deal.
Oh, those guys are real pit bulls, buddy. Just throw them a bone. They'll roll over and play dead.
Listen, I'll put a trial tug on Phoebe's leash and see if she bites, you know?
Gotta run, buddy. I'm working with my trainer.
Hey, I know what it's like, babe. Ciao.
Wedgie.
Felix! Am I glad to see you? Why, I could just...
No. Don't!
Oh, now, ain't that sweet?